Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G32, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. You need to begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. After that, type in Magic Fluids. Now download this app from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right one. Select Set as Live Wallpaper and click on this gear at the top right corner. Now, after selecting I accept in First Things First pop-up, adjust all of those settings however you wish to. Then go back, click on Set Wallpaper, and decide if you want to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen only, so when I click and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. If you wish to adjust some of its settings, go into Magic Fluids again, click on the bottom right corner, Set as Live Wallpaper, and Gear at the top right corner. Now adjust all of those options again. Go back, tap on Set Wallpaper, and decide where to apply it. Then go back again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!